Hello again. I just come across this when I bought these heads. I wasn't aware that they did this. I have AFR 195 competition small block Chevy heads in the 195cc runner. You go over here to the intake side of the head, you'll see this hole. Now I have a plug in it, but those are drilled from the intake side over into this exhaust port. So if you look down in here, you can see where my screwdriver is. There's a hole in there. Now that gets drilled through there. It's in both heads, and that is used for your heat riser or EGR or something for emission controlled vehicles. Now if you don't have an emission controlled vehicle like mine, I called AFR, and what they said to do was just tap that hole and then plug it. You can get special gaskets that have a metal plate, like a block-off plate, that go in here. But just to run a paper gasket in here, I'm afraid that the exhaust gas coming up through here is going to burn that paper gasket, and then eventually you're going to get a leak into your inside of your engine, and you don't want that because water or whatever else can drain in here, and you're going to get oil splashing out and leaking all over the place. So this hole is a 5/16 hole, so that works out good for a 3/8 tap. So all I did was I tapped the hole, and then I put a 3/8 set screw in there, and then I just put some ultra copper silicone on there, the high heat silicone, and then I just bottomed it out in the threads so that it's just barely sitting flush. I don't know if you can see here that is sitting flush on that head. And I just countersunk it a little bit after I tapped it just to make sure that the intake wasn't going to interfere with that. But I tried to look online for information on that and never found anything, so I actually ended up having to call them. So if you're wondering, that's what I did, and that's what they recommend. So thank you for watching. Until next time.